My name is Ernest Oko.
Okay.
I live in Ashalgoche, and I come from Osu, in the Greater Accra region.
Wow.
Yeah,
Osu.
so usually when you live along the coast, yeah, people like to enjoy themselves, especially on weekends.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one thing about the coast. I've been on the YANGO app for almost 2 months now.
2 months?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then I was actually introduced by a friend.
Okay.
He actually motivated me to join the YANGO app and then drive on it. When you are on the app, always you are busy. You have something doing. Yeah, that is what motivated me, because I always want to keep myself busy and then make some money as well. The first time I branded my car, when my kids saw the car, I said, "Hey, Daddy, your car is YANGO." They were very excited about it, and then my wife as well. Yeah, she's been very supportive, and then she motivates me a lot. What I like about cars is, one, the brand, and then the color, and then the horsepower. That is very important to me. I think electric cars would do. Yeah, because when we look at our system now, how expensive our fuel is becoming, yeah, electric cars will be better. Yeah, because with that, I don't think you will pay much for charging an electric car. Some of the drivers need to be educated about the app. Like, for instance, a training session that will broaden their mindset about the app, so that when they are using, they can be very comfortable about it. The advice I'll give to other drivers is they should be online, and then they should accept most of the requests that comes. And they shouldn't be selective of the request. You go in for the rider, and then make sure you take them to their destination very safe. And then they should be well dressed. They should be very polite when they are talking to their riders. I advise everybody to subscribe to the YANGO app, because we are making good money here out of the YANGO app. And so everybody out there, come and join the YANGO family. YANGO, let's go.